Are you getting annoying DLL missing errors on your Windows PC? Don't worry, in this video I will show you 4 simple methods to fix all DLL errors in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7, step by step. Let's start with the first method. Open Google Chrome and type Microsoft Download Center. Open the first official link, click search. Now in the search bar type DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. Open the first link and now you can download the file by clicking the download button. Once downloaded, go to the file location and run the installer. Click on I accept the agreement and click next. Uncheck this box if you don't want Bing bar and click next. Click next again. Wait for some time until the installation process completes. Now click on finish. This will reinstall important DirectX components that many DLL files depend on. After installation is complete, restart your PC. Now moving to the second method, repairing corrupted system files. Click on Windows search bar and type cmd. Now run it as administrator. Now type this command sfc space slash scan now and hit enter. This will scan your system and automatically fix corrupted or missing system files. Wait for the process to complete. It may take a few minutes. Once done, restart your PC. If the issue is still not fixed, try this advanced repair method. Again, open command prompt as administrator. Now type this command dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health and hit enter. This command will repair your Windows image and fix deeper system issues causing DLL errors. Let the process complete fully and then restart your PC. Now the last method, manually downloading the missing DLL file. Open Chrome and type the name of your missing DLL file. For example, msvcr80.dll. Open the first trusted link. Download the correct version, usually 64-bit for most modern systems. Once downloaded, open the file location and extract this zip file. Now all you need to do is to copy that .dll file. Now go to C drive, open Windows folder. Now open System32 folder and paste the DLL file here. If prompted, click replace or continue. Now restart your PC. Your DLL error should now be completely fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.